What's going on, guys? Shamil here with new auto glass, and today I'm going to talk to you about BETABRADE. This is a great thing for the auto glass installers. I'm working on a Subaru Sti, got a OEM windshield. Still having the problems with 4401, which is a 356 wipe. It's a mess. So still problem with it. Deal with glass only if you want to make the job easier on yourself. But right now it's BETABRADE. I used to use Sika pads. They were great, but since I use Dow products, got my Express 30, I love this thing, I switched to BETABRADE. Funny thing about this, I went to a migrant and I ordered it, and there was a girl that works there. She picked it up and she looked at it and says, "What is this?" That's a bad sign. You guys gotta start using either these or safe light pad. Safe light pads or Sika pads to clean the glass. You guys gotta do better work. All right, so I'll show you how this works. It's actually a great thing. Let's start the video. All right, so before cleaning the glass or applying the molding, what you want to do is, once you get it out of the van, put it on the rack, just go with this and go with the just a little bit, not that's too much, just a little bit, doing it with one hand. Yeah, go over the surface where the urethane is supposed to be. So you put it over. It's like a wax, it's like a compound, feels like it. So you go put it over, just a little dots here and there, over like this. Oh, not over there, and over there. That's it. You don't need much. This tube costs 25 bucks, but since you're using a little bit on each job, this will last you a long time. Take a piece of paper. Let me stop it. Switch the camera. Alright, so you take a piece of paper and you just go over. Rub it off. Rub it in there. And this will clean all the dirt spots, fingerprints, anything that doesn't belong there. Alright, so next step, take the glass cleaner. I use the GC 800 cleaner, spray it and clean it all off. Alright, well, so clean, nice and shiny. Don't mind my garbage can over there. And now I could put that primer on, but before I put the primer, I'll put the molding, and then I'll put the primer on. So give me a second, let me put the molding on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'll put the molding on. It's there. I didn't want to bore you with me putting the molding on, so I skipped it. So I'm going to be using 5504 primer, because I use Express 30. It requires 5504 on the glass and on the body, which is I already did. This is just prep, clean, prime, everything ready for that. So now I'm gonna use this. It goes on the body, and then with my Express 30 Dow urethane, I definitely recommend this. If you don't use Dow, use Sika guy, at least try this. You will fall in love. This is the thing. It's priced fairly and it's amazing. You don't even have to use the tape after you install this glass. So that's how great it is. Alright, so let me prime this and I'll see you guys later. got a little windy, so we got all this extra stuff here. Now I gotta take care of. Look at this stuff. Look at this. It's on the glue. And that is bad because this wind just picked up. Look, what is this? That is no good. Now I gotta get this stuff out of here. Well, that's my bead. Little got windy right there. Lost my balance. Gotta fix this. Lift it up a little bit. All right. Look at this windy day. All right, gotta fix that up. Get this stuff out of here. Yeah, gotta make sure they're connected. Look, it's no good. Yeah, windy day. One thing that sucks about mobile service. If it gets windy, there's a chance of contaminating glue. So always gotta be careful. And gotta connect those beads right here a little bit. Gotta fix that up, not a big deal. Make it nice and even. And disconnect right here. Well, that's my bead. I make it thin and tall because this glue allows you to do it. It's actually very thick to do it that way.